50 Tesla tips in under 5 minutes. Tesla rims stick out, so be careful with curb rashes. As you can see, I'm a victim.
Click romance to impress your date.
Shh, the kids are sleeping in the back. Hit chill mode for quieter chimes. In your Model Y, your rear seats actually recline. Ah, so much better. Tesla paint sucks, so consider getting PPF. As you can see, I'm a victim.
You're a victim.
Are you running late again? Well, navigate to superchargers to charge so much faster. Don't be like these two lovebirds and allow a parking space gap to not share power stalls. Same rules apply to urinals. Avoid crumpling your frunk by using this flawless closing technique that I'm demonstrating here. You'll love me for this one. You can actually hold and drag icons to your shortcuts. I like putting the heated seats during the winter.
And obviously, subscribe to the channel to get the best Tesla tips.
Us Tesla owners love shortcuts, so you don't need to stop before changing from drive to reverse. Who wants to do 3 taps to toggle climate control? Hold it instead to turn it off and on.
Trying to get rid of a bad date? Embarrass them by making them fart.
Oh, I don't like this place. Where are we going next?
Did you just fart? Saying open butthole opens up the charge port.
Of course, only cool guys use the cable button to open up the charge port.
You can also just push the charge port to open it. Distance on your battery is inaccurate. Click and use the battery percentage instead. Buying a Tesla? Get paid by using my Tesla referral link in the description. No matter what you do, take your Tesla card everywhere because you never know when your phone might die. Lower it to your desired height and then you hold this button over here until it beeps. Open it again in the future. It's a new height.
At this point, you probably have given Elon too much of your hard-earned money. Well, you can give him less by using third-party chargers like ChargePoint.
Buying a Tesla? Get your government to pay for it through EV incentives.
When using autopilot, give your accelerator a break and scroll the right wheel to change the speed.
Look, I get it. You're Tesla obsessed, but did you know you can order another Tesla in your Tesla?
It seriously boggles my mind how people can leave their dogs inside cars in the blistering heat. Don't be that guy and use dog mode to keep our furry friends cool.
Oh, how many tips is that? Are we almost done?
You're only halfway there, so keep it going.
Want to impress your friends? Say open glove box, and it's like magic, hands-free. Don't want randoms opening your glove box? Set a glove box pin.
This is a must-know autopilot hack. Scroll the right wheel to get rid of this warning alert. Who needs to pay for premium connectivity when you can just hotspot off your phone? Don't be lazy with those software updates because you could be missing out on some very cool features. There's also a karaoke mode, but just don't get caught.
Choose your steering stiffness by toggling Comfort, Standard, Sport.
Weird tip, but don't park outside when it's freezing cold, or you could lose a lot of range. No matter how annoying it gets, always set a pin to drive.
Oh, shoot. These allergies are killing me.
Silly goose, we can just use the biodefense mode for cleaner air.
Craving Five Guys, which by the way is the best burger spot out there, then share it to your Tesla and you will see it in your navigation. You can also share your favorite YouTuber's video to your Tesla screen. Don't look like this dummy when supercharging. All you have to do is yank the cable and stick it in. The payment is linked to your account. When done, unlock ChargePort and stick the cable where you found it. Let's say you're stuck on a ski lift or anywhere else, but you want to preheat your car. Well, you can with the Tesla app. Nope, that's not Elon's house key.
This magical key is actually just used to tow your Tesla once you open this.
Do you find your wife getting lost and having trouble locating the car? Well, with Tesla's megaphone, those days are gone. Don't be like this goofball and clean your screen while it's active. Instead, use screen cleaning mode. Head over to your Tesla app, click upgrades, and you can literally download horsepower by buying acceleration boost. Frozen Tesla screen, don't break it, reboot it by holding the 2 scroll wheels. Oh I gotta speed up. You can access Tesla's secret service menu by holding the model name and typing service as the password. Green light chime alerts you when the traffic light is green. You can use your scroll wheel functions for shortcuts like these. When deciding what Tesla color to pick, make sure you see it in person and in different lighting.
And there you have it, 50 Tesla tips. Oh, wait a minute, there's one more left. Oh yeah, that's right. Tint your Tesla windows. To find out why, click the video above.